Want to get instant text alerts without constantly checking your spreadsheets? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Zapier SMS notifications for 2025, fast, clean, and beginner-friendly. By the end, you'll have a fully automated system that pings your phone anytime new data lands in your Google Sheet. First, head over to the Zapier website. Once you're there, click Login at the top right. If you already have an account, the easiest way is to sign in using your Google account. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard or homepage. Now it's time to create your automation. Look for the Create button and click it. From the options that show up, choose Zaps. Everything in Zapier revolves around a zap. It's basically an automated workflow made up of a trigger, followed by one or more actions. Let's start with the trigger. Click on the trigger section and search for Google Sheets as your connected app. Once you select it, you'll need to choose the event that kicks everything off. Pick New Spreadsheet, Row. That tells Zapier to react every time someone adds a new entry to a specific Google Sheet. Next, Zapier will ask you to connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. Click Sign In, follow the prompt, and once it connects, hit Test to make sure the connection works. You'll also be asked to choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want Zapier to monitor. With the trigger ready, let's set up the action. Click on the action step and type SMS into the search bar. Select SMS by Zapier or the SMS service you use. After selecting it, choose Send SMS as the event. This tells Zapier that whenever your trigger fires, you want a text message to go out automatically. Just like before, you'll need to connect your SMS account or phone number. Click Sign In, follow the prompt, and then test the connection to confirm everything works. Zapier will ask you to customize the message. This is where you can pull in data from the spreadsheet row, like a name, status, or phone number. Once both the trigger and action are tested and working, you're ready to finalize. Click Publish to activate your Zap. From that moment on, every new row added to your chosen Google Sheet will automatically send an SMS notification to the number you set up. No refreshing or manual checking, just instant updates straight to your phone, and that's all it takes. In just a few minutes, you've built a reliable SMS alert system using Zapier. It's a great way to stay ahead of new entries, leads, orders, signups, whatever you track in Google Sheets. If anything doesn't work as expected, drop your question in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and if this guide saved you time, be sure to stick around for more automation walkthroughs and quick tech tips. Happy automating!